Okay guys, what's up? Spans here. Maybe you're wondering what's up today. Why are we in Aurora? Today we decided to hop on the car, go to the port, and we are crossing to Guimaras. Gusto nyo sumama sa amin? Now's the time. Punta kami ng Playa De Paraiso sa Guimaras. Isa siyang resort with pool, and then syempre may beach on the far side of the island. It's our first time to go there, so if you want to join us on our travel, stick around. If you're a first time viewer, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Ngayon, nasa loob tayo ng Roro. Yung mga babayaran is 129 para sa sa terminal fee, and then 525 dalawa from Iloilo to Guimaras. At ano pa pala, meron pang health safety seminar before tumawid ng Guimaras, or pwede din dun ka mag health safety seminar sa may Guimaras Island. So, yung amin, kinuha na namin ngayon while I was parking the car here, so that when we dock to Guimaras, we don't have to take the seminar thingy. Okay, so enjoy the ride. We will continue the vlog when we arrive at the Guimaras port. Okay, see you there. Bye. We are now traveling from the port of Hordan to our destination. This is our destination right here, if you can see. Okay, it's on the other side of the island. It's about 30 minutes from the port of Hordan. Okay, so hindi namin na kunan ng video yung pagbaba namin kanina sa boat kasi naka-time-lapse pala yung yung GoPro, kaya ayun. So it's 4:25. Yung travel pala ng Roro is about 15 to 20 minutes ata from Iloilo to Guimaras. So it's a very short trip. Tapos relaxing naman kasi medyo walang tao kasi ngayon it's Tuesday and hindi peak yung yung travel ng mga tao. So ayan. For the health seminar pala is for the INCOV virus na lumalaganap ngayon. So you have to take it. There's no fee for that. So it's a free information for you when you're traveling if you're a tourist. Okay? So ayan. And then when you arrive sa may Hordan port, wala ka nang babayaran. Papakita mo lang yung ticket, yung stubs ng ticket. Okay? And then you're on your way. Okay? We're gonna see what we're gonna pay if we're going back from Guimaras to Iloilo. Okay, so for now we are traveling. Maybe we can get some scenery shots on the way. We're gonna stop, fly some drones. If wala, edi dun na sa my resort. Follow our social media accounts. That would help us to reach our 1,000 subscribers and then our 10,000 views. So help us out. Thank you and enjoy the ride.
Okay guys, what's up? We are here na Playa De Paraiso
restaurant, resort. Dito na yung parang arc nila. Okay, may basketball court sila. And the beach is just there. Hopefully, hindi masyado madaming tao. Pero holiday kasi ngayon. It's a celebration. So, it's on a holiday in the Philippines. No work in the whole country. So, we'll expect a lot of people in here. But, sana wala lang. Para at least masolo natin. Ayan, yung beach. Oh my God. I'm just gonna change my battery kasi I'm in 13%. And then we're gonna change that and then we're gonna continue the vlog. Okay? Bye guys for now. May gym? May gym ba? Okay guys, so ayan yung pool. Ito yung kiddie pool nila. Yan. So may kite surfing ata. So yeah, I'm excited na to fly the drone. Okay, we're gonna go inside the room. This is the room. This is 2,000 per night. Dalawang bed, aircon siya. Yung CR. Yan. Okay naman. Okay, so this time I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you what the resort looks like in this hour or in this time. Okay, so let's go. Good morning. You have a fine night last night. We overslept. We didn't get the sunrise, but I think it's a fine day to do some B-roll shots, to complete the shots on the whole resort. So, dito tayo ngayon. We're on the way sa beachfront. Yan yung room namin. So, kahapon, medyo late na kami dumating dito sa resort. Yan, ganda ng ng breeze. Yan, so this is the pool area nila. Okay. And then ayan yung mess hall. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm on the way to the cottage sa mga kasama natin. And then I think we're gonna do breakfast. And siguro ikot-ikot ako sa resort. Okay guys, so see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, we're checking out. Nalis na kami sa room. I'm just gonna go to the front desk and check out. And I'll see you guys in the car, okay? Bye for now. we're done with the checkout. Naalis na kami. So, ito yung front building. So, yung mga cottage dun sa likod. So, from here, we're gonna go to the windmills. Madami kasi silang windmills dito. We're gonna catch up dun na lang sa may windmill na area. Sit back and relax. Enjoy the ride. Okay guys, dito na tayo sa mga windmill sa point 17 viewpoint ata to ng mga windmills. Ayan guys, dami. If you want to go to the windmill sa Guimaras, it's around 15 to 20 minutes lang from the port going to here. So baba tayo. Yan, up close sa windmill. Kamusta naman yung travel natin? Sulit na sulit. May windmill na tayo, may resort pa, may beach, drone shots. So, mag-b-roll tayo dito. Let's go! Perfect! We are done with the windmills. We are now going back to the port of Jordan, and then we're gonna check what time is the schedule of the Roro from Guimaras to Iloilo. Okay, so I hope you like the windmills footage that we have. Time to relax now, enjoy the view as we go back to the port of Jordan. Okay? See you there. Okay guys, so we're here in the Roro terminal na. Okay, we're backing in sa ship. We paid 500 for the car and then 129 for the shipping for the terminal fee, and then you're on your way home. Okay, so 2:30 yung trip namin. So 2:30 around 3 siguro andun na kami sa port ng Iloilo. Okay guys, we'll update you once we get inside the boat. Okay, bye bye for now. Okay guys, so dito na lang kami. Dito ako mag-close ng vlog kasi ang ganda ng spot dito sa unahan ng Roro. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed our travel. It's a 2-day travel, so I hope you like that. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, help me out, help me reach the 1,000 subscribers and the 10,000 views. If you have friends that also like this kind of contents, please invite them to the channel, share it. Also follow me on my social media accounts, my Facebook and my Instagram, and most importantly, subscribe guys. Okay, and hit that bell button to get notification. So abangan nyo yung next video ko. So I will see you guys on the next episode. Bye.